Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastazsa. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram if you haven't done so as well. Holiday season is upon us and I'm just sharing with you guys some awesome gift ideas for today's video. As always, the links to everything will be in the description box down below for you to check out. Without further ado, we can just jump right into it. All right, for the first gift, if you guys are looking to get someone something super nice, like a really good gift, this would be top of my list. This is the Aventon Adventure e-bike, and I have mine in the step-through version. I've been just obsessed with this bike. Aventon was kind enough to send this over, but I actually have been able to test it for a few months now, and I absolutely love everything about it. As you can see here, it has that really nice backlit screen that has a color display, and I got mine in the color sand, which is one of their most popular colors. But honestly guys, every single time I ride this e-bike, someone that I'm like driving past is so excited about it, and I get so many compliments on the color. It is beautiful. Now it has the 4-inch fat tire, which I think is super important. I've actually got to test a lot of e-bikes recently, and the front tires and the back tires being 4-inch fat tires makes it a much more comfortable, smooth ride. So that is something to note. You can get up to 28 miles per hour with a top speed on this bike. It actually has pedal assist as well as a throttle. Something to keep in mind, not all e-bikes come with a throttle, meaning they only work when you pedal them and have that pedal assist, but it is super important to have a throttle too, in my opinion. You can just kind of like catch up to your friends, go a little bit faster with that throttle, and it actually has like app sync functionality. Now the battery averages 45 miles of a range, and I did take this on a 37-mile bike ride, came back and still had battery left. So if you guys are in the market for an e-bike, this would be my top choice. Definitely would make a great gift this holiday season. Definitely check it out in the link down below, and a huge thank you to Aventon for sending this over. Another one of my just personal favorite things are these Marshall speakers. Now they come in about 5 different sizes. I have 2 of the different sizes to share with you guys today. So this one is like not the absolute largest one. It's kind of like in the mid size, I guess you would say. I'm not exactly sure what the size is called, but I love it. It has like all the dials on it. Obviously it's meant to look like a guitar amp. These are just super cool. They make awesome gifts. So as I mentioned, this one's like the more medium size one, but they have 2 like smaller, like almost like mini size ones, I guess you would say, and I recently got one of those. So this one actually works with Amazon Alexa. Now you can pretty much get each version of all the sizes of speakers, so if you like Amazon Alexa, you can get ones that have Amazon Alexa. It's up to you, but this newer one just comes automatically standard with it. So I got this one in white, and it's just super cute. Probably going to end up using this in my kitchen, but I love it. Next one, I feel like this is just a no-brainer Christmas gift. Anyone would love this as a holiday gift for this season. It's just a Stanley cup. Love these. I have a few of them in different colors. They're actually pretty easy to come by now on Amazon. I'll link them down below where you can find them, and you can get super fast shipping, obviously because it's coming from Amazon, but these make awesome cups, and I love how much water I drink whenever I use these. Next up, you guys know I love my Vitruvi diffusers. This is the newest release that they've had. So this is, I believe, called the vanilla. Look at just like the texture detailing on this. So it's like a like lighter base with like the speckles on it. It looks so good, and I feel like it has a little bit more texturing in my opinion than just the regular color. So these make awesome gifts. Their oil that goes in these is also super amazing. So if you're in the market to get someone this as a holiday gift, they come in an array of colors. So this is the stone diffuser. They also have a move diffuser, which is cordless. You charge it on the cord, but you can walk around with it without the cord. It's like a cordless one. And then they also have the stay diffusers, which is this one. Another more recent one that I picked up for my home, and I love it. It's a lot larger. These are a little bit easier to just kind of like wipe off and clean. You can clean the stone ones. They just need to be like washed down in like water. But these are super awesome. So I have this one actually in white and black. Again, it comes in a few different other colors, and these are like the perfect really good quality gift to give someone. And speaking of really good quality, this Amass hand sanitizer is amazing. It's phenomenal. It is a little bit more on the high end side, but it is awesome. So it's a big container too. This is actually 16 ounces of hand sanitizer. So it's like a big size hand sanitizer. This is great. It's made here in LA. It smells amazing. It's like the best smelling hand sanitizer you will ever use. It smells really like fresh and natural. So I love those, and just their company in general has some really great items that you could give for this holiday season. My Chanel book, I narrowed it down to one coffee table book. I feel like this is at a good price point, and it seems like you got someone a really expensive gift. I believe this is like a $30 book now. Really great. You can gift somebody the Chanel book, and again, just like a super nice gift to give, but it's not unaffordable. Love it. Inside is great as well, and then I'm actually sharing it with you guys here with the cover off, because it actually looks really nice with the cover off too, like very high-end, very luxurious book, and it would make an awesome gift. Next up, I've pretty much noticed that I've had almost every single like version of the Nespresso that they make. So I've had this one that's like the medium size one. I've had this smaller one as well. If you guys remember, I did this little DIY coffee station a long time ago. It's been several years. So this is the coffee Nespresso maker that I started off with when I first moved out, and I loved it. I think these just make really awesome gifts. You can get them in a wide variety of prices as well. So a good gift for the holiday season, especially if you know that that person likes coffee. It's great, and they can like make their coffee at home. You can get them some Nespresso pods if you know they already have one. And along with that is my Beast blender. So I love this blender. It's over there to the right. It doesn't even look like a blender. Like, that's how like nice and cool it looks. It comes with that water bottle with the strainer in it, so you can make like infused waters. It also has like a larger blender piece too. The one I'm showing to you guys here is the smaller version, but it comes with a larger version as well. Really high-end, powerful blender that doesn't look like an eyesore on your countertops. Awesome gift idea as well. And sticking in the kitchen, Our Place, their pots and pans are insane. They're incredible. They're healthy for you to use. They come with these wooden spoons that actually rest on the actual pots and pans. They have like the strainer included in them. Like, I love these. This is what I cook with like every single day. So the perfect pan is here, and then the other one is called like the perfect pot, and I feel like they are just like amazing. Very good, very non-stick, definitely worth the price. And again, if you know someone who like really likes to cook, this would be an amazing gift to. All right guys, I really hope you enjoyed all of those gift ideas for this holiday season. If you'd like to see more gift guides from me, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.